Hello and welcome to my Roblox FPS tutorial. So I noticed the last tutorial actually got a lot of views, but it wasn't, it wasn't advanced. So I didn't explain much, neither did I do much. But this tutorial is more in-depth. Um, so first off, just like the last tutorial, we're gonna build rig. I'm gonna use R6. You guys can use R15. Okay, and from here, just delete everything except the human report and the arms. So actually, we need the humanoid too. Yeah. So delete, and we have a rig. So just make that transparent. Now, just rotate these arms. I'm just gonna put this at 90 degrees so that I have to turn it, and it's gonna take a long time. So we're going to just do that here. 0.5 studs, and yes, that should be good. Now we can scale these longer. There you go. So we got some FPS arms, and now what we can do is let's just get like a gun model. Here, should I just use a mesh? For example, this Tommy gun. Um, let's just use this Tommy gun. Okay. And we're just gonna position it like that. Alright, I'm gonna position it like that. Probably scale this up a little bit more. Have this on 1. Nope. Yep. A 0.5. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that is. Alright, there we go. So we're just gonna position it there. So there we go. We have this created. We're just gonna call this Tommy gun, and we're gonna put it in the view bottle. We're gonna call this Tommy gun view model. Actually, just call it view model. Alright, so make sure the primary part is set to human report. Now we're gonna go to start player script, and local script, and we're gonna insert local script. Alright, so let me explain it how other games do it. So basically, for example, Arsenal, you have like set of guns, and basically it's gonna check what gun you have equipped, and it's gonna make that arm show up. For now, I'm just gonna show you how to make the arm show up, and then I'll show you lerping and C-framing and all that stuff, all that good stuff. So first, we're gonna get some variables. It's gonna be the run variable. So the run variable, and then we can get the view model from the workspace, and let's actually just clone it so someone else joins, so they have a gun too. And camera, we're just gonna get the workspace out current camera, and then what else do we need? Yeah, that should be it for that part. Local aiming. False, sorry about that. We also want UIS. this this is this is gonna be for the aiming, and probably like when you're moving, probably we could have like an animation and like further running animation stuff. So first off, we're gonna actually, you don't actually want to say first our local player, repeat, wait till player character, just that, and I'll also say player character connect function. So basically, whenever the humanoid dies, actually, you know what? We don't need that. I mean, we don't need that for now. Let's just get the camera stuff done. So render step connect function. View model set primary part C frame. View model get primary part C frame. Also, let me just increase this. Okay. And then we're gonna lerp camera.C frame and then 0.5, just like the last tutorial. And what's gonna happen is actually the arm's not gonna show up until it's parented to the camera. So view model parent goes camera. Now, I was seeing questions about how like, oh wait, line, did you mean, what is this here? Okay, so let me just use game.workspace. Never seen this error before. Alright, let me just do something. So, still says line 6, okay. So, it's just this part. You know what, don't load it right now. No idea why that's not working well. Okay. Hold up. Okay, let me just search this up. So, scripting is basically learning from your mistakes too, so. Yeah, that got rid of the, that blank space between line numbers. Oh, my bad. Because this is getting um the C frame, and that's a function. So as you can see, we have this working. Now we actually have to weld this, as you can see. So so I'll leave a link below for the rig edit. So you're gonna click on the rig, then click on the plugin, and so I'm just going to create joint humanoid to left arm, humanoid to right arm. So you want to connect it. See, you see those? They have to be connected. So the right arm to the Tommy gun. There we go. Now, if we test it out, what we're gonna have is we're gonna have it like that. So, and as you can see, the arms are a little above, so we're just going to add the C frame. So cframe.new, and then probably -2 or -1 actually. -1, and how about a 2? Yeah, there we go. So, and we'll probably move the camera a little bit further up front, so we'll just put it at 1 z-axis. There we go. And now, what we can do is we can position this correctly. So, left arm, change this to 5, so that it rotates 5 degrees each time, each increment. Then probably do this. Okay, so when we, oh yeah, forgot. So every time you move it, this, it resets. So right root part, left arm, create joint. Right, there we go. Now press play here, and then we have a working thing. Now actually the left arm needs to be scaled a little more, and then we're just going to create joints again. I know it's annoying, but it is what it is. So you're gonna have to keep doing this, like that's how okay, wait, let's just see yeah, so we don't see like the arm ending right here. So we have this working. Okay, so we're gonna put some values. Alright, so we have the aiming value. So what we're gonna do, say if aiming is equal to true, then we're gonna give it another C frame. So we'll probably move the gun up. So probably give it a 1 or a 0. then um probably move this like the two. Yeah. So, oh my bad. So if we say aiming equals true, then as you can see, it's changed. Now we just need this to be 3, -3. And probably a -1. -3.5. I think that should be good. Yep, I like this. So, if true, then it's gonna do that. Else, if aiming equals false, then it's gonna basically do this. And how we toggle aiming is I'm gonna switch this value. Okay, false to true, false to true. And in order to do that, we need to know when they um, so when they click a button. So for example, alright, for example, if I say if I dot user input type is equal to enum dot input type dot mouse dot 1, I mean 2, then it goes true, and do it here, and then false. Also, add another parameter. This is another parameter, and what this does if and not p. So what this does, for example, if you're chatting in Roblox, so when you're in the game and you press this button, okay? You press a button while you're chatting, then it won't do anything. So, for example, like, let's say, see, as I'm pressing this, it's not doing anything. But, what up? Okay, wait, why is it doing that? C frame. Okay, so we have that, and actually, you wanna do for IV appears view model get descendants, do if B is a part or V is a mesh part, then V dot can't collide is false. Interesting. So the camera is reacting somehow. Okay. So as you can see, we have our aiming done. And that's basically how you do it. So for example, if you wanted shooting, we would literally just do the same thing. So, um, one, true, shooting goes true, and this will be false. Yeah, and whatever. So we can give it some C-framing. And the animations part is what I'm going to show you right now. Is to basically animate this, right? Now, of course, we can't, like, for example, if you go to the animation editor, we can edit this, right? Or instead, we can use Blender animation. Then what we can do is we're going to export rig, then save the rig, and then you can animate from Blender. And the reason we can actually do that is because of the rig edit. So you want to make sure the rig is edited, and then you can animate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then from the server side, it's basically just, it's not, these arms do not show up to other players. You're gonna have to basically, whenever the player is using this gun, you're gonna have to make it so that this gun is welded to the player, and the player's basically doing animations on the server side. And for the client side, the player can only see the gun animations, everything, the arm animations and all that. So that's pretty much it. Um yeah, if you the next thing you want to just do is just um you just want to weld it on the server side. So just learn welding, and then if you get the concept, this should be pretty easy. But this was just the framework part. Um, but the server side, it's pretty easy. Just weld and animations, and bam, you have a Arsenal slash Phantom Forces type game. So hope this video helped. Hope you like it. Yeah, thanks for watching.